Good morning. Happy Wednesday. So want to stress one thing, which is this. If you still are having trouble logging into that National Emergency Library and checking out Slaughterhouse 5, please, please, please contact us. We gave some feedback if you did that dirt quiz or not the dirt quiz, that quick check. If you said you were having trouble, we linked the video for you, or we linked the login information for you along with the book information. So check that. And if you're still having trouble, reach out. We'll get back to you this morning. Okay. If you're done with all that, great. But we know that a lot of you aren't done with all of this because a lot of people haven't completed the discussion board yet. Remember, this is the instructions for how to do the discussion. It tells you exactly what you need to do. You click on your class's discussion using one of these links. So if you're in period 4, click this one, right? You'll see a grid that looks like this. And you post your video here. Notice I already responded to some videos. I would love to respond to you guys. I see 83 views. I see that you're watching these videos. You know how to do this. Okay. Last thing to know is we will post this exit ticket today. We want to wait to post it until after the discussion is due so that you can use it to help with your exit ticket, but we'll post that by the end of the day today. Okay? That's it. Bye.